Imagine this. You wake up, and your AI has already read all your emails, prioritized your tasks, booked your meetings, even replies to people for you. Bro, this is not just AI anymore. This is AI with a brain. Welcome to Prod Panda AI, where AI is not just smart. It actually thinks now. Earlier, AI was like a calculator. You give it numbers, it gives you one answer. 2 + 2 = 4. Simple, right? But now, AI is like a consultant. It depends. Let me think. LLMs are now the brain of AI agents. Think of it like this. The LLM is the brain, and the agent is the body. The brain understands the nuances of language and thinks through complex problems. And the body? That's the agent. It's the part that actually executes those decisions, writing code, booking flights, or replying to user feedback. It turns thoughts into actions. Now here's where things get interesting. AI doesn't just think randomly. It follows a brilliant strategic system called P's. No, not the kind you find in a salad. P is for performance. Am I doing a good job? And E is for environment. Where am I and what's going on? It's basically situational awareness for your AI team. A is for actions. What can I actually do? And S is for sensors. What do I see and hear right now? Basically, AI is constantly asking itself, am I winning or not? Here's the twist. AI is only as smart as you talk to it. If you give it a bad prompt like, fix this, the AI brain just stares back at you with a blank expression. But a good prompt? Act like a product expert. Solve this step by step. Now the brain lights up. You're not just using AI, you're training it live in every chat. Think of it like a lab experiment. The more context and precision you add to the mix, the more powerful the output becomes. Master the prompt. Master the brain. As a product manager, this is game-changing. AI can now talk to users and summarize feedback in seconds. Aditi is already seeing the shift. More time for strategy, zero time for grunt work. Your role becomes managing AI, not just building products. Congrats. You just became the CEO of AIs. Like Ramesh, you can finally lead while the agents handle the grind. But beware the dark side. AI can still hallucinate and make wrong decisions with 100% confidence. It's a smart brain, but it's still dangerous if you don't set the right guardrails. As a PM, you are the final guardrail. You must understand the vulnerabilities and verify every critical decision to stay safe. It's not all rainbows and bamboo. So here's the truth. AI is no longer a tool. It's a thinking system. The winners know how to talk to it, how to control it, and how to use it smartly. The goal is augmentation, not just automation. Follow Prod Panda AI because the future of product management is already here and we're just getting started. Subscribe to Manage AI like a pro because product management doesn't have to be complicated. See you in the next masterclass.